Your automatic transmission can last 300,000 miles or more. Most people destroy theirs before 150,000 miles. That difference is not luck. It is daily habits. Transmission repairs cost $3,000 to $8,000. Some cars cost over $12,000 to fix. The prevention cost is much lower, less than $3,000 over many years. You know the fear of a bad shift. You hear the grinding sound. You smell something burning. That moment means damage is already starting. Stay till the end, because this can save you thousands. Inside your transmission are hundreds of moving parts. One bad habit can destroy them fast, but the right habits can protect them for life. These are the 18 habits that keep automatics alive. They are proven, simple, and real. Learn them, and you may never replace a transmission again. Let's start with habit number 18. Change transmission fluid on time. This habit controls how long it lasts. Ignore this, and failure starts early. But why does fluid fail so fast? Transmission fluid protects every moving part. It lubricates gears and controls shifts. It also cools the whole system. When fluid breaks, parts wear together. This damage grows before you feel it. Your transmission runs near 200 degrees Fahrenheit daily. Heat destroys fluid after 60,000 miles. Dark color means lost protection. Burnt smell means real damage. That smell is a final warning. Change fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Do not trust lifetime fluid. No fluid survives constant heat. Skipping this shortens life fast. Now comes habit number 17. Use only the correct fluid type. Wrong fluid causes hard shifts. It creates heat and slipping. That damage never reverses fully. Service cost is $150 to $300. Replacement cost is $5,000 plus. The choice is clear. But fluid is only part of the story. A hidden part traps damage every day. Habit number 16 means replacing the transmission filter. The filter catches metal dirt and clutch dust. A dirty filter blocks fluid movement. Blocked fluid damages parts very fast. This damage starts silently. Many shops skip the filter step. They only drain and refill fluid. That replaces just half the fluid. The dirty filter stays inside. Problems grow from there. Habit number 15 is choosing a pan-drop service. Flush machines push dirt through the system. That dirt can block small channels. This risk increases after 70,000 miles. Failure follows quietly. A pan drop allows real inspection. Magnets show wear signs clearly. Early warnings save money. Driving habits decide what happens next. Habit number 14 starts when you turn the key. A transmission does not break in one day. It breaks from small daily driving mistakes. Two habits cause the most damage. This is where many drivers fail. Habit number 13 means warming up before hard driving. Cold fluid is thick and moves slowly. Thick fluid cannot protect parts properly. The first 5 minutes matter most. Cold mornings make this even worse. Idle for 30 to 60 seconds first. Drive slow and gentle at the start. Avoid fast takeoff and hard throttle. This simple wait saves internal parts. Habit number 12 means stopping before shifting gears. Never shift while the car is still moving. Rolling shifts shock the clutch system. Heat and wear increase instantly. That small delay you feel is a warning. Heat from driving habits causes the real damage. Heat is the biggest enemy of automatic transmissions. Every extra degree slowly cuts transmission life. Most failures start with heat damage. Now the countdown continues. Habit number 11 means avoiding aggressive driving. Hard acceleration creates internal clutch slip. High RPM shifts generate dangerous heat. Heat breaks fluid and burns components. This damage builds without warning. Habit number 10 means never exceeding towing limits. Heavy loads force the transmission to overwork. Overwork creates non-stop heat pressure. Fluid breaks down much faster. Clutches and torque converter fail first. Your vehicle can feel normal while being damaged. Heat damage stays hidden until failure. Driving habits decide survival or replacement. This habit is about control and awareness. Your transmission survives when heat stays low, and problems are caught early. Most failures happen because drivers never look. Habit number 9 means installing an auxiliary transmission cooler. Extra coolers lower internal temperature fast. Lower heat protects clutches and seals. Cooler fluid lasts much longer. Many transmissions die only from heat. This habit alone can double lifespan. But cooling works only if you monitor. Habit number 8 means checking transmission fluid monthly. Healthy fluid is red and clean. Burnt fluid smells bad and looks dark. Low fluid means a leak is active. Leaks destroy transmissions in minutes. Checking takes 1 minute at most. Ignoring it can cost thousands. Now comes a habit that decides repair or survival. Problems never fix themselves inside a transmission. Small issues grow fast when ignored. Leaks and wrong gears cause silent damage. Your response speed decides survival. Habit number 7 means fixing leaks immediately. Red or pink fluid under the car is danger. Low fluid kills pressure in minutes. No pressure means slipping and heat. Heat destroys clutches and seals fast. Small repairs save big money here. Habit number 6 means using the correct gear. Lower gears help on hills and slopes. Engine braking reduces brake and gear stress. Overdrive in traffic causes extra shifting. Extra shifting creates heat and wear. Most drivers ignore both habits daily. That mistake shortens transmission life. Next comes a habit people ruin while parking. Transmission damage starts in places drivers never expect daily. Parking habits on hills hurt more than most people think inside. Cooling neglect slowly kills the transmission over time. Habit number 5 means never using park to hold weight alone. That clunk sound is stress on a tiny metal part. Parking pole is not built for car weight loads. Proper parking always stop fully and apply the parking brake before. Weight control then shift to park so the brake holds weight safely. Habit number 4 means keeping the engine cooling system healthy always. Heat control happens when fluid runs through the radiator levels. Cooling failure raises transmission temperature fast, quickly. Coolant mixing turns fluid pink and deadly inside. Warning signs get ignored until damage is done inside. These habits decide if your transmission lives or fails early. Habit number 13 means getting a transmission inspection every year. You cannot see inside your transmission with your eyes. You cannot feel most problems until damage is serious. Certified technicians can spot trouble early using tools. This habit acts like an early warning system. Imagine knowing about a problem months before failure. Imagine paying $300 instead of $5,000 later. That relief comes from one simple inspection. Inspections cost only $75 to $150 per year. Technicians check fluid color, smell, and level. They inspect metal particles and leaks closely. They scan computer codes and test drive behavior. Small fixes like solenoids stop big failures. Most problems give quiet warnings early on. Missing them means driving blind toward damage. Habit number 2 means reacting fast when problems appear. Your transmission gives warnings before it fails. Delayed shifts, strange noises, and burning smells are alerts. These signs are never normal or random. Ignoring them creates fast and costly damage. A 1 to 2 second delay when shifting shows internal trouble. A burning smell means fluid is breaking down. Each ignored sign multiplies repair cost. Critical warnings need instant inspection. Delayed engagement in drive or reverse matters. Harsh or jerky shifts show pressure loss. Gear slipping raises RPM without speed. Whining or grinding means internal wear. Warning lights often link to transmission sensors. Fluid leaks mean pressure is already dropping. Driving longer turns $500 fixes into $4,000 failures. Your transmission spoke early to save itself. One final habit proves if protection truly worked. Habit number 1 is about records and real schedules. Good habits mean nothing if you cannot prove them. Cars do not remember maintenance. Paper and notes do. This habit separates average cars from long-life cars. Imagine selling your car with full service records. Every fluid change is written down clearly. Every filter change is easy to verify. Buyers trust cars with proof. Warranties demand proof too. Records protect your money and your transmission. Write down service date and mileage. Write down fluid type used. Write down filter replacement details. Write down technician notes and problems found. These records show patterns early. Now understand severe service conditions. Short trips under 5 miles count as severe. Stop-and-go traffic counts as severe. Hot or cold weather counts as severe. Hills, dust, or towing count as severe. Severe service needs fluid changes every 30,000 miles. Normal driving allows 60,000 miles. Most drivers unknowingly drive severe. Memory fails faster than transmissions. Write it down or lose the proof. This habit decides if 300,000 miles is possible. Your transmission is not luck-based. Its life depends on habits you repeat daily. 17 habits decide if it fails or survives. Fluid care, safe driving, cooling, checks, records all matter. Ignore them, and failure is guaranteed. Follow them, and 300,000 miles is normal. Maintenance costs a little over time. Replacement costs everything at once. Most transmissions die at 150,000 miles. Yours does not have to. The real question is simple. Which habits will you choose today? These 18 habits protect your transmission every day. From fluid care to written records, each step matters. This knowledge saves thousands in repairs. If this helped you, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now tell us, which habit will you start today?